everyone, welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an unusual Negroni. Now the unusual Negroni is obviously a variation of the classic Negroni. However, this unusual Negroni is a little bit lighter, a little bit sweeter and less bitter than the classic Negroni. Now to make this drink you will need 4 ingredients. You will need gin, obviously, you will need Aperol and you also need Lillet. It's pronounced Lillet, not Lillet, alright? Just want to make sure that you know that. You'll also need an orange to garnish. I've actually cut a couple of twists on a previous orange, so I've got some orange twists here ready to go. Alright, now to make this drink, you will need a vessel with ice. You'll then need to add 1 shot of gin, 1 shot of Aperol, and 1 shot of Lillet. I'm now going to stir this drink. And the reason I'm stirring this drink is to really cool it down. I'm going to add my lid. And we'll need a glass with ice. I might fill that up a bit more. Voila. And now I'm just going to strain this using my tea strainer. And then spritz my orange twist. Put that in there. And voila, we are done. This is an unusual Negroni. Chin chin, that means cheers in Italian. This Negroni, this unusual Negroni, is really refreshing. It's very light, it's got floral notes and you can definitely taste the orange. It's not as bitter as the classic Negroni. In fact, I would recommend if you haven't had a Negroni before, that you actually order one of these first so you can ease yourself into the Negroni experience. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Cheers. Bye.